Investors demand refunds after Maxwell Chigombozo proved a scam. Sanamira mashikobuda panapa kunzi aiwa mainvestors vauya panapa vachiti aiwa vana Maxwell Chigombozo the scam yavakabuda vachitaura invention yavanoonekwa kunzi aiwa is a fake invention. Vauya panapa toona mainvestors achidhimanda kuti aiwa we want our refunds ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timbina panapa mudanigwa muchinzi investors expose multi-million-dollar energy scam. Chigombozo's endless energy invention unraveled as a scam. A groundbreaking energy invention promising self-sustaining electricity and infinite mobility has been exposed as an elaborate scam, leaving international investors defrauded of hundreds of thousands of euros. Maxwell Chigombozo, the self-proclaimed inventor behind a so-called revolutionary car, helicopter, and a generator that allegedly functioned without fossil fuels, is now at the center of a major financial scandal. International investors who traveled to Zimbabwe in early 2025 to test these miraculous machines have come forward with damning evidence that the entire operation was a carefully orchestrated fraud, a dream too good to be true. For years, Chigombozo had built an almost mythical reputation, claiming to have cracked the code of limitless free energy and innovation that, if real, would have been a game changer for global energy markets. Empty promises, vanishing funds. According to the investors, Chigombozo and his team engaged in repeated stalling tactics, promising test drives of the self-powering vehicles only to cancel at the last minute. The group was even invited to a high-profile product launch where they expected to see a working demonstrations. Tomashikwana muda panapa achitukuona chibutsona ukomna Zimbabwe achinzi aiwa mukomana Chigombozo onekwa kunzi aiwa akarevera vanhu nhema. Toona kuti aiwa mainvestors panapa vakamanya vachipinda munyika yeZimbabwe panapa kuda marefunds achiti aiwa tanga tatoona a solution aiwa to a challenge iri kuitika munyika. Vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa consumption yenergy vanhu kushandiswa kwemafossil fuels kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa kunyanya kuitika pasi rose. Chigombozo angati auya ne a solution. Vanhu vakaona mainvestors achipinda munyika yeZimbabwe vadanyasa kuona kuti aiwa akaimboidevelopa sei. Zvatakuona panapa mainvestors akudhimanda achiti aiwa tidzosere mari dzedu aiwa dzatakashandisa noda kwokuti wakatirevera nhema. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu, tudze mafungiro enyu.